Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on TOSCIDO P101. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open, and here you can skip introduction, and now you have to click open permissions, and you have to allow this application to display over other apps, and then click back. Now go back to your application and click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.